In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you secrets to run adverts during Valentine and get better results. Let me thank you before I go ahead. Welcome back to my community. Let's jump right in. Before you run adverts, you must have good content on your page. In case you do not know how to go about content and how to prepare your page before running adverts, I will link a playlist at the end of this video. Watch till the end to access that playlist. Note that everything I will be teaching in this video do not apply to Valentine alone. You can use it for specific season, Valentine, Christmas, Easter, those specific seasons when a lot of people run adverts. Even the ones I did not mention in this video, it can be used for that. You are welcome. For Valentine and specific seasons, I recommend broad targeting. And I'll tell you why broad targeting. Broad targeting is the targeting where you're not picking any interest at all. You are leaving your interest bland. You pick, is it bland or blank? Blank, not bland. You're leaving your interest blank. You pick your location, you pick your gender, but your interest will be blank, and you let the algorithm pick the people to show, and you add petrol and fire. Why does this work well? This work well all the time, apart from Valentine. But during Valentine and Christmas, those two works better. Now, if you are telling the algorithm that, oh, show my advert to people that want gifts, that want this, that want that, and yada yada yada. But you are restricting the algorithm. When you are telling the algorithm that I want you to show my advert to people that are looking for gifts. Remember that this is Valentine. A lot of people are heading into the direction of targeting people that are looking for gifts. So there will be kind of more traffic in that direction. You can now do broad. You show people that are looking for gifts and people that are not looking for gifts, because some people will not come to Instagram to look for gift ideas for Valentine, but they are looking for, if that makes sense. So algorithm will show your advert to them and it's going to perform extremely well. Before you run your Valentine advert, make sure that your page is well prepared. Make sure that you've spoken well about Valentine on your page. Not like you run adverts of Valentine when you get to your page, nothing is talking about Valentine. No Valentine ginger. Your ginger is. The same applies to if you are promoting for any season. If you are promoting stuff for Christmas, for Easter, for Eid, for this Muslim holiday, or you are doing like a sales with the name or related to it, do not just put everything together and run advert with it. Have other content on your page, because when people land on your page, they actually want to see other samples. Let your energy be high. Let your page be giving. Don't do Bewudani on your page and go and run advert of Valentine. Yeah. Let everything be saying love, speaking love, be happy, be giddy. Money be giddy. I actually do normal targeting and I do broad targeting, but for some specific season, this is my secret. Broad targeting Valentine, don't miss it. It works. Come back and share your testimony with me. Come back and pay your tithes. And you can give me money with my thanks. You see a thanks logo, you can send money to me. I'll collect it. I'll be so happy to do that. Right now, I'll be showing you what broad targeting is practically. Let's jump right in. Let's assume this is my content. I think people already sent this content out. I didn't even know. Let me go and stop copy this content. See, before we even dive into broad targeting, I check my analytics to know when I should stock up a particular product. Can you see this product? We posted it yesterday. Only 370 people viewed it, and it has six people shared it, 10 people saved it. Compared to, let's say this has 0 shares, 0 saves. Make sure your eyes is always on that when running your business. What are your analytics? What are people doing when you make a post? That will let you know what you should push more. This strategy has never failed me. When people save something a lot, I stock it up. And since this content has done well, let's assume I want to sponsor it. I'll click on boost post. After what you like this video, please be kind to like this video, as it shows the algorithm it is a good content and it pushes it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Click on boost post, and I'm doing broad targeting that I just taught you. Let's say I'm picking visit profile. I'm not teaching you a tutorial here per se. If you want to check a tutorial on how to run adverts, where I will share in depth, I'll put the link in the comment section. I'll also link it at the end of this video, right? So let me create my own targeting. So how do I create broad targeting? So for broad targeting, this is what you are required to do. You pick your location. If you are in Canada or you want people in Canada to see you, you pick Canada. If you want people in Lagos to see you, you pick Lagos. Just pick anywhere you are. Because of my people, let me pick United Kingdom. I have a good percent of them watching me. God bless you guys. I love you. Mwah. I love all my viewers before people become jealous. So pick the locations you want for broad targeting. Then you come to age, you pick your preferred age and gender. So if my age is 30 to 50, fine. Male and female, fine. Save it. But you see this interest, you would pick nothing. What did I say? You pick nothing. Nothing more, nothing more. So you leave the interest blank. Do not touch it. Do not touch the interest. Don't play with it. Don't cuddle it. Let it be. Then you save. Then you run your advert. I'm not going to save this because I'm not running an advert. I just want to show this to you. This is what we call broad targeting. You pick your location, you pick age and gender, and you leave the interest blank, and you let the algorithm do an amazing job. That's it. Tell me thank you, please, before I blow you. Note that broad targeting alone will not give you results. Use a good content. Make sure your page is prepared. Make sure your page is ready to receive visitors. Do not just use a shabby content to run ads. For broad targeting, you need to sit more tight with your content. Please use a good content. If you're using broad targeting, it's important that you've mastered the art of targeting the right people before. This helps the algorithm work easy peasy. If you need help with targeting, you need someone that can help you with target setup. I would go through your page, let you know what you should do better to get better results, give you content ideas, what you can tweak, things that would not even make your advert convert. All the lapses, I'll figure them out for you and tell you what you should do better and give you targeting options. See, it's a good investment for your life. Send me a DM on Instagram. It costs 15,000 naira only, and I'm going to help you out. You are welcome. I hope you found this valuable. Please implement. And I have this playlist where I spoke about Instagram adverts, what to do, how to prepare your page, content for Instagram ads, targeting, timing, audience, and all those good stuff that would help your adverts perform better. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye. Bye, guys.